The kids broke the flat 4 connector on the trailer, so we're going to be replacing it. First thing we're going to do is clip these wires the rest of the way so that we can attach a fresh flat 4 connector on there. Picked this up at my local hardware store. Side note, if you're interested in not having to fight wires when you cut them and getting clean cuts every time, really recommend a pair of these. Now that I've cut off the original flat 4 connector, I'm gonna cut just the side that I need off of. They sold it only in 2 ends, and I only need this connector. I already have the flat 4 connector in my the 4-pin connector in my vehicle. That's the other side, so I'm just gonna splice the one off that I need and attach it to the trailer. All right, now I'm gonna need to carefully strip these ends. We're gonna use a butt end wire connection, so I'm gonna go ahead and strip those ends. Okay, so when you are stripping the wire, you're gonna put it in the right gauge, okay? And if you put it at a little bit of an angle, then pop and pull, comes off clean every time. I'm gonna strip about a 1/4 inch there for each of the connectors. Okay, then we're gonna use a butt end connector. You can get these at a hardware store. Stick one end in here and the other end, same thing. You push it in there, and when you have them both pushed in, you just crimp the center of it and it holds. All right, we're gonna try to match these wires up color-wise, and then we're gonna test the lights and make sure we got it right before we do the final crimp down.